In this video I'm going to show you how to add notices to the notice board and how to put events up in the calendar section here for the main page. For the notice board, click on the More link here in the top right. This expands the notice board and lets you see more detail of it. So to add something onto this, click on the Add Message button here and then put in your details. First of all, you've got to pick an appropriate expiry date. The expiry date defaults to today's date, and once it changes to tomorrow, the notice will disappear. So if you need your message to be seen for a few days in advance, make sure to click on the little calendar icon here and pick a day at the correct date in the future. Now, next to the subject line, this will just be a short description of the event. Try to make these as short as possible, because if they go too long it can cause a fault with the notice board system, or with the calendar system as well. So use abbreviations and keep this nice and short. So let's say a match or training is going to be going on and some students are going to be absent from classes. We'll give this a small title, and then in this little text box here you can put in the details of what's going to happen. So you type in a list of names then, and just like in Microsoft Word, you can edit the text, italicize, bold it, paste in a list of names, anything you need to do there. When you're finished and happy with all the details, click on Send Message, and it appears now on the notice board. So here's my message here. Now, if you need to change something, if you've noticed you've made a mistake, or you need to add new names, anything like that, click on the More tab again, and you'll see up here, along with your notice board, there's two buttons here, Delete and Modify. Click on Delete if you just want to get rid of a message altogether. Maybe the training has been cancelled. Or if you want to change it, just click Modify. And the same as before, add in your details or correct the mistakes, whichever you need to do, and then send the message again to update it. I'll just delete that for now. When you delete it, you get a little confirmation box. That's okay. And we'll go back again to the main menu. Now, quite similar for the calendar. Click on the More tab to open it up. Now, to add something on to a day, double click inside the day on the calendar. It opens up this box. So there's a type of event box. Pick whichever one suits here. Event name, the same as before. You keep these, trying to keep these under 20 characters. So let's do the same thing here. You can put in a contact. Usually it's just the name of the person logging it, so that anyone who's inquiring about it knows who to get in touch with. It has the date, the week. You can set a time for this as well. A description, just a short description and details about the event. Type in what's ever needed there. Now, you can set this to happen weekly. If it's going to be an ongoing thing, you can set that there, but usually we just leave the once only tab done for once off things. Once you're finished with that, submit. And now it appears on the calendar. It shows you the time if you hover over it, and then anyone can just click on it and read the details about it. Now, you'll be the only one who gets these edit and delete buttons, and like before with the notice board, you can change the details, or you can simply get rid of the event altogether.